So it's the first week of February and I'm going to check on this beehive. It's in the 40s, so it should be safe enough to open up, and I'll drop off some food for them. And hopefully they survive some of the negative temperatures we had, but overall it's been a pretty good winter. I'm hoping for the best. Let's crack it open and see what we got. I hear buzzing. I see some live ones, so that's good. There are some dead ones, but that's to be expected. Oh. Alright, so I'm just going to scrape off the dead ends. Definitely some activity in here. Alright, we definitely got some live bees, so that's good. But I gotta get this part off. Alright, I'm gonna have to open this up with my bee tool, which I brought. Oh, they secured this on there good. This is taking some effort to separate. Ah, there we go. Alright. Sad clearing out these dead bees, but the hive is still alive. So, anyways. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back. And the camera's crooked. Oh well, can't win them all. Yeah, it's taking off these dead bees. As I hate to say it, that's kind of depressing. Alright, well. Alright, I'm going to put this back on. And offer him yet another bag, and this be alive. Okay. Alright. Okay, so it's going to add a new bag on. Alright, well. Alright, so here's another bag of food. And puncture the top for them. Alright. So they should have access to it now. But the hive is still alive, so that's good. Okay. Alright, success. They're surviving the winter so far.